What if I told you that the chronic pain keeping you up at night, the stiffness you feel every single morning, and that constant, draining inflammation could dramatically improve in just 14 days? And what if the solution was as simple as changing what you eat for breakfast? It might sound too good to be true, but this is real, cutting-edge science that the big pharmaceutical companies really hope you never discover. Because the right foods can act like a switch, turning off inflammation right at its source. And people, especially those of us over 60, are seeing results that are leaving their doctors speechless. Today, you're going to discover 5 powerful anti-inflammatory breakfast foods that are truly changing lives. By tomorrow morning, you can start using them yourself and begin your own transformation. But first, let's talk about why this is so incredibly important for your health and well-being. That nagging pain in your joints, that stiffness that makes getting out of bed a chore, it isn't just aging. It's a sign of chronic inflammation, a silent fire that's been burning inside your body, day after day, year after year. And here's the shocking part. Every morning, most of us unknowingly pour gasoline on that fire. How? With sugary cereals, white toast, sweet pastries, processed meats like bacon or sausage, and even seemingly healthy options like fruit juice. These common breakfast foods cause your blood sugar to spike, which in turn triggers a flood of inflammatory chemicals throughout your body. This sets you up for a day filled with more pain, more stiffness, and that deep, bone-weary exhaustion. The science on this is crystal clear. Major studies have shown that people who consistently eat anti-inflammatory foods have up to a 50% lower risk of developing chronic diseases and tend to live dramatically longer, healthier lives. Your breakfast sets the inflammatory tone for the entire day. If you get your breakfast right, you give your body the fighting chance it needs to finally begin to heal itself. So, let's build a morning routine that extinguishes that fire and stops inflammation in its tracks. Let's start with our first powerhouse, turmeric, golden milk. This isn't just some passing wellness trend. It's one of the most powerful and well-researched anti-inflammatory remedies on the planet. The magic comes from turmeric's active compound, curcumin. Studies have shown that curcumin can rival the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the harsh side effects. How does it work? Curcumin directly blocks a molecule called NF-kappa B, which is essentially the master switch that turns on the genes responsible for inflammation in your body. In one remarkable study, adults suffering from knee pain experienced a 58% reduction in stiffness and discomfort after just 8 weeks of taking curcumin. Making it is simple. Just gently warm 1 cup of your favorite milk, dairy, almond, or coconut milk. All work great. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and this is crucial, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper increases your body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Add a dash of cinnamon and ginger for extra anti-inflammatory benefits and flavor. If you like, you can sweeten it lightly with a touch of honey or maple syrup. Drinking this warm, soothing beverage every morning is a fantastic way to start your day on an anti-inflammatory note. Next up, let's talk about omega-3 rich foods. Think wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, or if you prefer plant-based options, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential because they help your body produce powerful compounds called resolvins and protectins. These are your body's natural inflammation. They literally resolve inflammation at the immune level. The problem is, the modern diet is overloaded with inflammatory omega-6 oils found in processed foods and vegetable oils. This throws our bodies out of balance. By adding a rich source of omega-3 south at breakfast, you help restore that crucial balance. You don't need a lot to make a difference. A small portion of smoked salmon alongside your eggs, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed stirred into your oatmeal, or just a handful of walnuts can profoundly change how your body feels for the rest of the day. It's about tipping the scales back in your body's favor, away from inflammation and towards healing. Our third anti-inflammatory hero is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, whether they're fresh or frozen. These little gems are packed with potent antioxidants called These compounds do amazing things. They lower the levels of inflammatory messengers called cytokines, and they simultaneously boost your body's own anti-inflammatory signals. Research consistently shows that a daily intake of berries can significantly reduce inflammation markers in the blood. But the benefits don't stop there. They also improve blood pressure, help with insulin sensitivity, and support overall heart health. The goal is simple. Try to add 1 cup of mixed berries to your breakfast each day. You can toss them in a smoothie, sprinkle them over yogurt, or just enjoy them on their own. It's one of the easiest and most delicious ways to fight inflammation. Now for our 4th game changer, matcha green tea. If you're looking for a replacement for your morning coffee, this is it. Matcha is a special powdered green tea that contains an incredibly powerful antioxidant called is one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatory compounds known to science. It's been shown to lower C-reactive protein, or CRP, which is a key marker of inflammation in your blood, and it helps calm an overactive immune system. Because you consume the entire tea leaf when you drink matcha, you get up to 10 times more antioxidants than you would from a regular cup of brewed green tea. Plus, it provides a calm, focused, sustained energy without the jitteriness or the afternoon crash that often comes with coffee. And finally, our 5th category, nuts. Specifically, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. These nuts are loaded with monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. This combination works together to support a healthy gut microbiome and suppress inflammation throughout your entire body. Keeping your blood sugar stable is key to managing inflammation, and nuts are fantastic for this. Just a single quarter cup serving each morning can help lower inflammation markers and prevent those energy-draining blood sugar spikes. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, add them to your smoothie, or simply enjoy a small handful as part of your morning meal. Now, let's talk about the timing, because when you eat these foods matters. Inflammation in the body naturally peaks in the early morning. It's why your joints often feel the stiffest and most painful right when you wake up. This makes breakfast the most strategic and perfect moment to intervene. To get the maximum benefit, aim to eat your anti-inflammatory breakfast within 1 hour of waking. This helps to calm that early morning inflammatory spike before it can take hold and ruin your day. And remember, these foods are most powerful when they work together as a team. Don't just use them in isolation. Try to combine them for a synergistic effect. Imagine starting your day with a warm mug of golden milk, a bowl of oatmeal with flax seeds, walnuts, and a cup of fresh berries, and a soothing cup of matcha on the side. When you combine these foods, their anti-inflammatory effects multiply, creating a powerful healing force within your body. Real, lasting change requires consistency. Many people start to notice a real difference in their pain levels and energy in just 1 to 2 weeks. But a truly life-changing transformation often happens around the 6 to 8 week mark. That's when you might realize you're waking up with less pain, moving with more freedom, feeling a renewed sense of energy, and simply living a better, more vibrant life. So there you have it. This is your anti-inflammatory breakfast protocol. This is your roadmap to taking back control of your health, your comfort, and your vitality starting tomorrow morning. You have the power to change how you feel. If this video has been helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel for more natural health strategies, specifically for those of us navigating life over 60. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below and let us know which one of these anti-inflammatory foods are you most excited to try first. Thanks for watching.